My name is Loren King. I am a digital marketing specialist at Morgan Myers. I'm from Michigan, so I was raised here my entire life and actually went to Michigan State University, but decided to pursue this AI program through the University of Michigan. And beyond that, I've had a lot of opportunities to learn about application of artificial intelligence within my work, and it's something that companies like the one I work for are very interested in. We're currently expanding our AI offerings, and we wanted to make sure that we had a deeper understanding of the tools that were out there and the technology as it impacts all of us. So as a result, the company I work for encouraged pursuing higher learning and more education to expand my knowledge, and then I could share it within the company that I work for as well. The main motive for upscaling was to pursue some company objectives around artificial intelligence and learning. It's a big focus for us right now, and we wanted to make sure that we had a deep understanding of the topic that I could then take and share internally. I came across the Simplilearn platform through some research I did myself on different programs that were offered that had online components. So I compared a variety of options, and then the one I found Simplilearn is partnering with a university in my area, and so I dug a little bit more into it and was really impacted by seeing the full course syllabus, which helped me make my decision. The course I'm studying is called Michigan Engineering Applied Generative AI Specialization, and it's broken down into several different objectives and subcourses that focus on important topics within artificial intelligence. One mantra or motto that I really believe in is that if you understand the basis for how a technology or an idea works, you can probably help implement it anywhere. That's why I was pursuing artificial intelligence as a research area. I figured if I could understand the models and the programming and the techniques behind it, I could better help others understand and use these tools as well. And I think that the program is really helping me do that. My overall experience with Simplilearn so far has been really powerful and helpful, especially because of the instructors in the course I've had. They appear to have been specially selected and really know the topic areas really well. Drove conversation. I felt very engaging despite being online. There's a lot of comments occurring throughout the live presentations, and then I found very useful homework, which has basically expanded my learning beyond the already very intense and in-depth live sessions. Since starting the course, I've already had opportunities to deploy some of the learnings that have come out of it. In terms of artificial intelligence, that could be everything from understanding an encoder-decoder structure, so I have a better grasp on how AI actually interprets a prompt and how it spits out a response. Grasping some of the larger tools that might be used within our company, such as Hugging Face, to access different AI models that we might deploy, and just being able to understand the history of tools like artificial intelligence, going back to chatbots such as Eliza, which were much older than I thought and started around 1960s. Right now, the course is impacting my career. It's opening up opportunities for me to explore a more AI-focused role. So not just doing my traditional workload, but expanding into AI as a focus for not only myself and the company. I've been able to take what I've learned and share it back with my supervisor and with others in the company to understand the potential impact it could have, and then grow as a result. Outside of my career, I have a couple different hobbies. Honestly, I quite enjoy cooking and building Lego sets and models, experimenting and just trying out different tools, digital tools, mainly online, and participating in my community. People with one message, it would just be to dip a toe into the deep end of the pool and try it out. There's a lot of information in my course that I didn't really understand at first, but I was able to learn over time and ask questions, and it really has impacted me professionally and personally. So it's okay to try something that's in a complicated area, even if you don't know everything about it.